Let's face it, we all love McDonald's French fries. But have you ever wondered what goes into making them? How do they get so crispy and perfect every time? What magic is used to give them that distinct flavor and aroma? The secret lies in the process, the step-by-step industrial process of turning potatoes into the perfectly crispy French fries we all know and love. In this article, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, from start to finish, of making McDonald's French fries. No more guessing or speculation about what goes into making McDonald's French fries. I'm going to show you just how it's done. I'll even include some tips to ensure your taste is just as delicious as the ones from your favorite fast food restaurant. Ready? Let's dive in. Introduction to McDonald's French fries production. Who doesn't love McDonald's French fries? Those golden crispy fries that make you want to eat a few orders in just one sitting. We know how delicious they are and how satisfying it is to enjoy them with your meal. But have you ever wondered how they make those French fries so consistently perfect? In this video, we'll give you an inside look at the industrial process of making those mouth-watering McDonald's French fries. You'll understand the time and effort that goes into creating each order of fries, and most importantly, how you can replicate them at home. Sourcing of potatoes. When it comes to sourcing the potatoes for their iconic fries, McDonald's works with farmers across the United States and Canada. To ensure a consistent quality of potatoes, McDonald's has set standards for their potato supply that must be met by farmers, including size, starch content, and sugar content. Depending on the region, farmers will grow either russet Burbanks or Ranger russets, each with their own unique flavor profile and crunch. Next, the spud is sliced into pieces about 3 millimeters thick for the classic French fry shape. But not just any machines can slice these potatoes. They're put through a special slicing system involving high-pressure water jets that ensures each piece is identical in size and shape to maintain an even cooking time when fried. After they're cut, they're washed and refried in vegetable oil before being flash frozen and shipped to McDonald's locations around the world. Cutting and cleaning process. You're almost done with the prepping process. The next step is to cut and clean the potatoes. To make sure the potatoes are all the same size, a machine called a sizer does the job. It simply slices up the potatoes into strips of a consistent size and shape. But these strips are still full of dirt and debris from the field harvesting, so they need to be cleaned. To ensure that all dirt, rocks, and plants are removed, they get washed in a cleaning basin. This uses high-pressure jets of water to break off any dirt or rocks that might have gotten stuck onto the surface of each strip. The water flows over the potatoes in successive streams and passes them through a screen to collect any dirt particles that may have still been there even after washing. Once you are done with this step, you can move on to blanching your fries. Blanching and freezing the fries. Now that the fries have been cut, it's time for the blanching and freezing process. This step is incredibly important because it helps preserve the French fries so that they're still nice and crispy after they're cooked at your favorite McDonald's. Here's how it works. First, the fries are dunked in hot water for a few seconds to prevent oxidation and rid them of some of their starch. Then they're cooled down quickly in icy cold water before being taken out and sent off to be frozen even further. The whole blanching process can take up to 6 minutes before the fries are ready for freezing. Luckily, McDonald's has high-tech machines that do all this work for you. Plus, they know just how long to freeze them so they get cooked up perfectly every time you order them. Breading and flavoring the fries. Once the fries are cooked, they're ready to be flavored and fried up. First, they go through the bread machine. The fries get a generous coating of flour and spices that sticks to them when they get fried. Next, they move on to the flavoring machine. This is where those iconic McDonald's flavors come in, the perfect combo of salt and a secret seasoning blend that'll make any fry lover drool. For an extra crispy finish, the fries go through the fryer one last time. Hot oil seals in all that flavor and crispness that you know and love in a McDonald's French fry. Plus, bonus, It also helps keep them warm so your order stays perfectly hot and freshly crispy right when it gets to you. Cooking the fries. The next step in making McDonald's French fries is cooking. This involves cooking the fries in hot vegetable oil for just the right length of time and at the right temperature. To start, the potatoes are transferred from a hopper to the fryer, where the fries are cooked for about 7 minutes until they turn a golden brown color. The cooked fries are then separated into a heated holding area to keep them warm until they're served. Vegetable oil is used to cook McDonald's French fries, so they get that classic flavor that customers love. However, this also brings up an important environmental concern: sustainability. To address it, McDonald's has committed to using 100% sustainable vegetable oil by 2020. So, how is this done? McDonald's uses technology to optimize their oil usage and filtration systems to reduce waste and reuse oil more efficiently. These advances in technology help reduce their environmental impact while still delivering those tasty fries customers love. Quality control and packaging. Now that the fries are cooked and fried to perfection, it's time for the quality control and packaging department. Here, multiple sets of eyes are looking for any damaged or unsightly fries before they are packaged up. Then an automated machine measures and fills each bag with just the right amount of potato goodness. Once this part of the process is complete, each bag is labeled with nutrition facts, sealed, and then sent off to be distributed worldwide. This part of the process allows each customer to have a consistent and quality experience every time they purchase McDonald's French fries. So there you have it. Now you know exactly how McDonald's delicious French fries are made. Conclusion. Only by taking a closer look at the production process of McDonald's French fries can one appreciate its complexity and magnitude. On the surface, McDonald's French fries may appear to be a simple product, yet the process of making them is incredibly intricate. From the patented process of cutting and sorting the potatoes, to their intricate blend of spices and seasonings, each step of the way McDonald's French fries are made with precision and care. In conclusion, McDonald's French fries aren't just plain French fries. They are a product of intensive and well-honed industrial processes. The outcome is a perfectly crafted and delectable product that has become a culinary classic. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and share your reviews and comment, and subscribe our channel for more amazing videos.